Abraham Lincoln died in the early morning hours of Saturday, April 15, 1865, in a bedroom in a house across the street from Ford's Theater in Washington, D.C. He, his wife, and two guests were in the balcony audience at the theater watching a play Friday evening, which happened to be Good Friday. John Wilkes Booth entered Lincoln's private box unnoticed and shot the president with a single bullet in the back of his head. Ford's Theater is not very large, so everyone in the audience was aware that something horrible had happened. Booth jumped from the box onto the stage, interrupting the play, called out, "Death be to tyrants," fled the theater, broke his leg in the jump, which slowed down his escape efforts. Lincoln was carried across the street to a private home, and doctors, cabinet members, and military officers gathered in the house to await what was almost certain. The president was mortally wounded. He died around 5:30 a.m., still in bed. He did not regain consciousness. Mrs. Lincoln was with him and became hysterical. She had lost two young sons to disease, and now her husband was dead in a horribly violent attack. The Civil War had just ended about a week before, but Booth was a Southern sympathizer and was incensed that the South had lost the war. Several other people were involved in the plot. Booth was captured several days later and died from a gunshot wound to his spine. The other conspirators were captured even earlier and were hanged in May of the same year.